What's going on? It's Jab Anima back again. Look, we can focus a lot on our art, but it's not going to matter if we can't get it out of Blender. So today we're going over the output tab. Let's get to Blender right now. Output tab is right here. Let's check it. First thing we see is the aspect ratio. This will depend on where you're publishing. So generally, if you're publishing on IG, you want the video to be vertical, you're going with 1920 by 1080. If you want it to be horizontal, it's 1080 by 1920. I almost never change this value, but if you want higher video quality, I'm just going to increase the resolution percentage. Usually for my artwork on IG, I'm going with 200, but if I want a quick render, I'll go down to 30%. Your frame rate will depend on how smooth do you want the transition between each frame to be. My artwork is anime-ish, so I go with 24 FPS, but for more like realistic frame rates, you can use 30 or 60. Your frame range is going to determine how long your animation is. You're going to take this number, divide it by the frame rate. So this animation is 240 frames divided by 24 FPS, so it's 10 seconds. Last is our output. This box says, where is Blender going to dump the images that we make? And one of the most important parts is which file format do we want. In the beginning, you'll probably be creating PNG, but over time, I suggest you guys move over to EXR. Maybe I'll make a video on that soon. So if you follow me on Twitter, Instagram, or YouTube, I'll be able to share that with you. So see you there.